I was hoping that I was sitting here watching this shit as I was marking my fucking charts up. I was sitting here hoping, like, all right, we gonna pull back, that bitch just kept running.
I got an entry set at 009. I'm gonna tap that bitch. We'll put
Stop failed.
market trade here. Pre-market entry, but I think I'm already up 2. Should just go ahead and move this bitch to break even. I saw my 1-1.
Probably, definitely should.
Yeah, I'm going to move to break even here. Let this rock out. Up 260. It was. If you come back and hit me break even, I can't really complain about that. I think that was a good entry. How much time we got left until we got 7 seconds?
To this next candle.
Yeah, it's
hopefully
the 925
so I got
candle.
A zone for YM
Oh
that
my.
we can potentially break through.
That shit immediately came in crazy.
Just closed above this zone on YM. I'm hoping comes in and we have a pullback and fill in some of these big ass gaps we left on the 15 minutes to get up here. But I don't know what sparked this buy up like this, bro. But since 8, that shit's fine.
Yeah.
Up,
Yeah, if I get stopped out, getting more profit here. I think I got like 100 locked in profit. We go hit that, get that second push. I'll put it at the top of the wick.
Yeah, hopefully the opening candle comes in and just buys up without making.
Stop failed. Stop failed.
All right, it took me out that. So I made 182 on each account.
Oh, that's solid.
Yeah.
You still need to make 1,500 to.
Yeah, I'm only looking for longs on NQ. We fully rejected though.
Well, we running. Keep running. Don't even come back.
Ha! That be Ian.
Man.
E-Whiskeys.
I locked in 5.
Nice.
I'm up 7 though. I wanted to keep pushing. I'm trying to give it some space. Look like it's about to tap me out though. Yeah. Why you start laughing,
Bro, you hear his Keenan in the background.
Because the day I'm like, bro, I'm gonna trade NQ. YM wanna run, bro. I'm just like, bro, I'm so proud of it.
I got a buy limit for NQ at 022. It look like we want to go up there and hit that bit. So
YM did what I thought it was going to tap into this daily gap. We just rejected off this 9 EMA. I don't know if we're going to fight through it to go get this 770 level, but I made 5 on the day.
Stop failed.
I'm tapped in longs on NQ. Move my shots to break even. It was so close to TP. There we go.
Failed.
TP hit. I am done.
This shit, YM look like it might continue to go take out this draw up here.
All right, man. And that is going to wrap up the trading session for today. We did make a total of $400 on each account based off 2 trades. The first trade was a pre-market trade, which I don't normally take pre-market trades. However, as far as pre-market, right, like this line right here is going to be indicating previous day high. Price ended up coming up and we got super close to taking out the target, and I figured that we would have like a final push to go grab it. Oh no, wait, previous was that? Yeah, that was previously high. I figured we would have a pretty significant push to go take it out pre-market, which I've seen it do that before, so that's why I took entry. I wish I would have actually locked in more profit than I did. So I basically just waited for us to, because we had a push and then a retrade. So I was waiting for us to make that push again, which is why I had my entry set where it was. Got tapped into the trade, and then I ended up getting tapped out as I was trailing on the trade. I didn't make too much of it. Made what? I think I made like 180 on the first trade or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. And then when it came to the second entry, being the open price, broke to the downside immediately first, but I wasn't looking for sales just because previous day high is like right there. So that's what I'm looking to see get taken out. So I had an entry set in the middle of this, like it's like a range, but from where the 925 candle was, because I mark out the high and the low of the 925 candle, so it was set aside. I knew that if price came back inside the body of the 925 candle, then we likely were going to push and go higher to take out previous day high. And this would be also like an aggressive look for a breakout, because if you look left right here, this is where you would draw structure at. If I had drew a box from the 1 minute perspective, right? Yeah, I drew a box from the 1 minute perspective and I had it mapped out here. I would initially want my entry to be like right in this area. However, I got in pretty aggressive just because I was super confident we would go take out previous day high. So it wasn't really too much analysis that had to go into it. It's just we was heading towards previous day high. There was no reason for us not to go take out previous day high. All I had to do basically was wait for the entry that made the most sense for me to take. Both the trades I took were pretty good trades, pretty good execution. Didn't make too much on that second trade. It actually, I think, probably was like a negative RR, but I'm okay with that. Or was it? Because I was up 182, so at 400 minus 182. No, yeah, it was a little bit of a negative R. I made 218 on that trade, and I was risking 250. So it is what it is. It's basically like a 1-to-1. I'll still take it. I'm up $400 on the day per account, being in total, I'm up $800 on the day. So just when it comes to days like this, when I get back on the funded side, right, or I'm on the pro account and I have a $400 day on each account, that's now $800 times 0.80. I'll be able to take out $600 and that'd be in my account in the morning. So that's something I'm looking forward to, just trying to keep it steady, keep it rolling. And yeah, we're just gonna see what we can do. We can go ahead and get this passed this week, and then we'll be back on the pro accounts next week. But until next time, on a better living.